Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download CapCut in your laptop. So CapCut is a simple and powerful video editing software that we can use in our laptops. Today I am going to show you how to download it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, simply go to your App Store. Now you can see different kind of softwares here that you can install on your laptop. So since we want CapCut, search CapCut in the search bar. Now you can see CapCut over here. Since I have already installed CapCut in my laptop, I don't need to click on get to install it. It's already installed. Simply to open it, we'll click on open and our CapCut is opened. And just like that, we can download CapCut in our laptops. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.